ROG Xbox Ally is coming, and a huge leak just spilled its price, specs, and pre-order date. Is this the ultimate handheld? Let's find out. Welcome to GadInsider, your gaming and tech news hub. Today we're diving into the ROG Xbox Ally leak. Microsoft unveiled the ROG Xbox Ally and Ally X at the Xbox Games Showcase 2025, teaming up with Asus for their first Xbox-branded handhelds. These beasts are set to hit select markets, and thanks to tipsters, we've got juicy leak details on price, specs, and more. According to sources, the base ROG Xbox Ally will retail for €599 in Europe, while the premium ROG Xbox Ally X will cost €899. He claims these prices were confirmed by 2 European retailers. Pre-orders are tipped to start in August 2025 with a mid-October launch. The ROG Xbox Ally runs on an AMD Ryzen Z2, a processor with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. The Ally X steps it up with a Ryzen Z2 Extreme, 24GB RAM, and a 1TB SSD. Both rock a 7-inch 1080p LCD, but the Ally X has a beefier 80Wh battery versus the Ally 60Wh. These handhelds are built to run Xbox games natively. No streaming needed. X users are buzzing, with some calling the Ally X a portable Xbox Series S. At €599 to €899, they are pricey, but the specs scream power. Could this challenge the Nintendo Switch 2? With pre-orders reportedly kicking off in August, the ROG Xbox Ally could shake up handheld gaming. Microsoft's keeping pricing official for now, but this leak has fans hyped. Stay tuned for more as we near the October launch. Are you grabbing the ROG Xbox Ally or Ally X? Drop your pick in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming leaks.